In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use StockCharts Market Summary. This tool gives you a fast, organized snapshot of what's happening across major markets, so you can see leadership, laggards, and overall direction at a glance. We'll keep it simple, cover where to find it, how to jump between different market groups, and how to set the time frame so the data matches your goals. First, log in to StockCharts.com. Being signed in ensures you're seeing the complete view and that any preferences you select will stay put the next time you visit. Once you're on the site, look for the Market Analysis section in the main navigation, then choose Market Summary. That opens the dashboard we'll be using. On the Market Summary page, you'll notice clean tables and mini charts that highlight performance for different groups. Each table shows change and percent change values, which reflect how much an index, sector, or asset has moved over the period you select. The mini charts give quick visual context so you can spot trends, accelerations, or reversals without opening full charts. At the very top, you'll see buttons that let you jump between asset classes. Equities covers stock market indexes and sectors, which is great for spotting rotation between areas like technology, healthcare, or financials. Intermarket gives you a cross-asset view, helpful for seeing how equities, bonds, commodities, and currencies are relating to one another. Bonds focuses on fixed income benchmarks, so you can gauge interest rate sensitivity and risk appetite. Commodities highlights areas like energy, metals, and agriculture, often tied to inflation and growth themes. Currencies shows major foreign exchange moves, which can influence multinational earnings and commodity pricing. Click any of these buttons to focus your analysis on that part of the market. Next, set your time frame using the drop-down near the top. Options typically include today, 1 month, year-to-date, and 1 year. This selection changes both the mini charts and the numbers in the tables. For example, if you choose today, change and percent change reflect intraday performance, which is useful for traders watching momentum. Switch to 1 month or YTD, and those same figures recalculate to show the move over that longer window, giving investors a better sense of trend and leadership. Match the time frame to your strategy and try to stay consistent so your comparisons are apples to apples. That's it. Log in, go to Market Analysis, open Market Summary, use the top buttons to spotlight the markets you care about, and choose the time frame that aligns with your view. With a few clicks, you'll have a clear pulse on the market.